hard SQL question with a monthly percentage difference. And this is used a lot for monthly and quarterly financial reports. The easiest way to describe this is just going to be to show you. And we are going to need these three columns first. The created by column, the value, and we will see what this looks like. The new table. Here we go. However, they want this as a year month only. The easiest way to do this is to use the left function, which is the same as in Excel. Here we do left, and we're going to call this as format date. And as we can see, we now have this as how they wanted it. The next thing we need to do is sum the value. And this is going to be as total sales. However, we need to group by the month, which in this case is this, or the month year. Group by here, and when we run the new report, we are going to see the format date with the sales, total sales over here. The next thing we need to do is group this as month table as here, and then select all from month table. And here we can see is our new table. However, we do not want to use select all, but instead as we want is the format date, the total sales, and is what we need. This is the hardest part, is getting the total sales of the previous year, or month, year. So lag, this is the previous, lag means before, order, or over, order by format date. We're going to call this as previous. And for this, we will change this to current. Oh, we need to change it to as current. We're going to change this title. So as current. Let's just use total sales. And we're going to call this as a variance table. And now we need to do select these two columns and previous from variance table. Oh, we need a comma here. Whenever you have a second table, you need another comma. Here is our total sales, and as we can see, it's always getting the variance. Here's this, and here's this number right here. But now is what we need to do is do this last part. We need to calculate the percentage change, which is right here. And actually, in order to show this, we can copy paste this here. Whoa. And change this slowly. So this right here, this month's revenue is total sales divided by last month revenue. This in our table is previous. And then we're going to times it by 100, and technically this should be ... because it's going to round by 2 decimals. And let's see what our new report looks like. Actually, we don't need these 2 columns. And we can put this, oh yeah, we have an extra parentheses there. And we're going to call this as percent change right here. And as we can see, it's getting the percent change. However, we didn't do it right yet because we need to divide by last month's revenue. And then we need to do it. So we need to minus this and then divide it by previous. And this is how you do any sort of percent change. And here's the percent change. However, it's not correct yet. We need to do this. And this should technically be times at the beginning. It shouldn't matter, but there we go. And press on, and now we solved the problem right here. Here's the percentage difference. The only thing to make this slightly better is to round to the second decimal point, even though you don't have to. It says we solved it. And to do that, you just do round, comma, 2, and hopefully this works. Bam! Here's the percentage to 2 decimal points. And 2 decimal points is pretty common. As we can see, our report is very nice by month. Thank you for watching, and ask any questions in the chat. Thanks. Bye.